Do you think if something bad happens to a Buddhist goes, Buddha, coulda, woulda?
God, so dumb.
Hamo's so fat, not even Dora would explore him. We just found out my grandpa is now addicted to Viagra. No one's taking it harder than me. What's the difference between a rock star and a gynecologist? A rock star fucks his singers while a gynecologist sucks his fingers. I knew he'd love it. I love it. I knew he would love that one. That's the sort of filthy nonsense he loves. My granddad couldn't make it to Christmas dinner this year. He couldn't make it due to COVID complications.
Was that a joke?
Nah, it's just my diary.